Hello, I'm just going to be playing around today and see if I can make some stamps out of my polymer clay. This polymer clay I got from Michael's. Their bead landing clay was on clearance. I figured I would use that to try the stamps. I think I want it a little bit thicker, so I'm going to fold it in half. Back in the day, I used to do a lot of scrapbooking back in 2004. Late 90s, early 2000s, back when I used to have photographs and not digital photos. But I did accumulate a lot of stamping up stamps and inks and stuff. And I wanted to bring them back to life and see if I can make some clay stamps from these. I'm sure I can use the stamps themselves for designs, but then I would want the reverse so I can have the raised image. So let me go ahead and smush that in there. Okay, there's one. Thinking I want to smooth these edges out. I like these shapes here, but I'm going to isolate that one. Okay, I'm going to go throw these in the oven. These bead landing clays are 250, so I'm going to leave them in there for like an hour. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. I also did a butterfly. Let me grab some clay and see how they turn out. It's got some pink here, pink scrap. It's kind of ugly. Okay, I'm going to press some clay into this one. Should have wet it first. That's quite cute. Grab a cutter. That would be quite a cute pendant. Just color that up. Okay, wet that down. Pressed it on from the other side. That looks a little better. Interesting. Let me try this butterfly. Cool. easy. I know I saved my corks for a reason. Stamps. Got some Gorilla Glue here. Okay. Okay, so these have all dried. This one makes an indent, so I want to make a reverse stamp of this one because I like that shape. Here's a piece of clay. Okay, here's my little flower stamp. Okay, then I got the reverse of that, and I'm going to cut it out. And I got this cork, and it should fit right on the tip of that. But, of course, I need to bake it first. I just grabbed some black clay. Burnish that down. So I'll just show real quick what you can do with these stamps. Powder everything really quick. And I grab some nail powder. And there's just endless possibilities you can create with your old stamps. Grab a cutter. So that's kind of cool. Put that to the side. Rolled out some more clay. Okay, give these a light dusting. Grab some metallic powder. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Cut that out. That's it. The butterfly I baked, but I can come through and paint that with some acrylics if I want. I bake these before coloring them, but you can still color them afterwards. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little experimental video here. I hope you got some inspiration. I'm kind of excited to go through more of my stamps to see what I have. So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.